Hey, good day to you. This is Rain, founder of Forex 100. So today on the weekly market analysis, let's look at pound dollar. On the daily chart, what we see over here is an uptrend movement. Something that traders are looking very closely is this high wasn't broken at 1.2451 is a level that people will be watching very closely. We have a slight break and close below the low over here. That doesn't change it to become a bearish move, but instead a weaker bullish setup. So if this kind of analysis interests you, scan this QR code, it will bring you to our community chat, which I will share with you shortly. Down to the 4-hour chart, what we see over here, once again, is strong bullish movement, and likewise on the 1-hour chart. So we now know that the pound dollar is on a bullish trend. Trading against a trend, that means looking to sell, is known as a counter trend trader. So what does it mean? It doesn't mean that we could not sell the market even on a bullish trend. That's not true. It's just that you have to approach in a more careful and conservative approach rather than a trend traders. Scan this QR code, it will bring you to our students forum, students community over here under Traders Cafe. Click the pin message, and under the message over here, you get to gain the access to our students portal right away. And by clicking the link, this is our students portal. The first thing you have is an options to join our Telegram broadcast channel. Within this broadcast channel, you get to receive my voice memo as well as important messages that you might have missed on our Discord. If you scroll down further, this is your access to learn how to trade and analyze the market. You're able to learn how to place the stop loss, the target profits, as well as reading the trend. If this is something that interests you, you have to pop into our students portal. If you'd like to get coached by myself and my team, then drop me a note. We will schedule an enrollment call with you to make sure you're ready to be coached before we accept you as our students. And if you scroll down further, this is what we have over here. Give you a great idea on how we trade. Both of these trades have hit the targets. The difference is one give us a 2-1 ratio. The other one is 8.1:1 reward is to risk. All right. So just by having a 2-1 ratio, which is most of our trades, you just need a 40% accuracy to be profitable. With that, that also means that you shouldn't overtrade your trades, even though at times it does give you fantastic rewards like 8:1. We encourage every of my subscriber to analyze the market and not to follow the trend blindly. So let's head back to our daily chart and let me share with you my analysis over here. On my analysis over here, what we have is a bullish bet pattern that coming towards an expiry soon at 1.1228 because we have some really strict filters to follow, so that our profitability on bet patterns are higher than other traders out there. So there is a secret formula sauce, correct? So apart from that, you can see that my focus is pretty much on the shorting opportunity. I have a weekly resistance waiting at 1.2395. Down to the 4-hour chart, what you can see is I'm waiting for a potential head and shoulder formation that completes at 1.2282 for a shorting opportunity. If this is not good enough for you, then down to the 1-hour chart, this is what I have. A zoom in version of the head and shoulder. Of course, I won't treat this like a head and shoulder, but the completion price, I will take it as a retest of the resistance at 1.2277, which is very close on the 4-hour chart if you look closely. So I'm waiting for a confirmation over here, and because with that, it helps me to have a lower risk and higher returns. If this is something that interests you, plotting your charts, setting alerts, waiting the price to reach, and your smart devices give you those notifications, if that's the way you want to trade, rather than just staring on the screen, don't dare to leave your seats and stuff like that. You choose what kind of traders you want. And if you prefer the way that we are doing, that means setting alerts and waiting for prompts before we engage a trade and having more time to do the things we love, then drop me a note. We will schedule a call with you and see if you're ready before we enroll you as our students. That's all I have for you today. Looking forward to see you soon.